Kevin was standing over on Coney Avenue between Avenue O and Avenue P by the brand new Jersey Sushi Co. Laat maar aanchecken nu, Kevin. De killer kastjes hersje. Fijn dag. Shalom aleichem. How are you? Get my team in the mic. Put on the mic over here on your, on the shirt over here. Fine and nice. So this is a brand new sushi place. Beautiful, located in Flatbush, Coney between O and P. Central location next to Borough Park, heart of Flatbush. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful vibe here. Chabanu, I like the vibe here, no? Says Arukait. You're coming over here, it's a chill situation. Don't know what to do. All right, let's go for it. What are we gonna order tonight? You gonna give me some good dishes? Yeah. Okay, go for it. Let's start the shake. Let's go.
Let's start with our refreshing lemonades that we make.
Look at those moves.
With only fresh squeezed lemon juice. Preparing them in classic way. Just 3 ingredients.
Okay. The bochetoik, he's good at it.
Fresh lemon juice. Then some kosher syrup. This taste, that's really special one. That's lavender dream. So it's with lavender syrup. And the last one,
cold fresh water.
Actually just water. Nothing.
Just enough of ice.
And a little shake.
Wow, let's check that out.
Then it's ready to go.
Wow, woof. Get back kick. This looks delicious. Here we go. Wasa. This thing is ready to roll. Let's make a l'chaim. 1, 2, 3. Baruch atah Adonai from Shakal Niyam B'dvar.
L'chaim.
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 L'chaim to life. This is really awesome.
Enjoy.
This is delicious. All right, let's sit down.
First sip, let's go.
So either I can sit over here and enjoy it here. Oh, look what he got, Kevin. Get back cake.
Oh, yep, the appetizers.
Wow, woof. What is this? What is this?
That's corn ribs.
Corn
and
ribs.
Tuna tataki.
Wow, all right, let's sit down. Like it up and let's start.
Let's start.
It's amazing. Get back cake, Kevin. Okay. How are you supposed to eat it? Like this with the chopsticks?
Yes.
The chopsticks like that? All right, let's try. No, it's not gonna work. This is stickle hard over here.
You have the skills.
You have to. You wanna show me? Okay. Let's see if he knows. There we go. You got it. This is an art just to get that. Oh, he got it. Almost. All right. Grab it. Okay, shkoich, let's go for it. Wow, Yitzchak. This was heaven. This was delicious. Something out of the world. No, really. This thing is heaven. Something special. The corn ribs. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the fork for the next one. I'm just not used to these chopsticks. No, nothing against the chopsticks or anybody from those regions. That's not a rule, right? You don't have to eat the chopsticks.
No.
Look how he throws up the bottles over there. Just to come and watch this show, it's worth to come over here. Whoa, woof! Look at that. You got a free show as you're here and you're enjoying yourself. This is great. What's this?
This corns.
Corn ribs.
Yes.
Wow, the ribs of a corn. And it's grilled. It's what? Wow. Look at this. So, whoa, what's kipped yet? What do you guys have?
This is deep fried salmon.
Deep fried salmon over here. Wow. Wow, look at that soft butter. Goes into here like that.
Yes.
Dip it in. Wow, que do. Delicious, delicious. You stop here. Unbelievable, unbelievable. You can bring some more stuff?
Yeah, I have more.
Unbelievable. Man, is doing. He's throwing up his. He's doing a show over here.
This is Yamato, the sweet
Guys,
potato,
stop. Sweet potato with.
and tuna.
Wow, get back kick. Get back kick.
This
Get
is
back kick.
Very tasty.
Get back kick. This. Deze something gemein wenn man sushi, yeah?
This is next roll, hamachi.
You don't stop, man. How much do you think I can eat tonight? What's this? What's it called?
Hamachi.
Hamachi. What is it? What's inside?
This is some salmon
Wow, wow.
and cucumbers.
Okay, guys, do you ready for the next dishes? Maybe the main dishes this evening. That's our special drink. That's like a part of my soul in here.
You put your soul in there. Let's
of
see.
course,
Let's
that
see.
is spicy smoked old-fashioned. It's made with the homemade cinnamon syrup.
Wow.
And smoked with the cherry root.
Oh
Some
my
people
goodness.
say that's delicious, and I believe them
This is
because it is
crazy.
delicious.
Wow.
There you go. Enjoy.
Smoky flavor.
Spiced, smoked, old-fashioned. Enjoy.
Guys out of the world here. Wow, Kevin, this is amazing.
Crispy rice.
It's amazing. Wow. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm in it. You can't bring more. This is out of control, man. Wow.
Crispy rice roll.
Crispy rice rolls. Like do. Okay. Crispy rice roll. The items I'll come and do. I can't limit how much I can eat over here, Kevin. I have 2 drinks over here. The items should come over here. Whoa. And here he is again. You're back. You're back. You don't stop. My goodness.
Sakosaki roll.
Wow. What's it called, this one?
Sakosaki.
Sakosaki. Who gave it that name? Kacha. Sakosaki roll. Guy flake favos? I have no idea, but this looks
But very tasty. Try.
very tasty. Tell me that we're finished.
You want finish?
Please. This is just. You know what I'm saying?
Just start, but if you want finish.
Wow. Look at this table here. Kevin, come over here. Meet my good friends over here. Side the bartender, Taras. He made the most wonderful, I love the smoke, how it came out. It was delicious. So my good friend Chaim Riven, same name as me. Come meet the team here. Come rent out this place for an event, corporate event, a Sheva Broches, any event you have, or just a night out. You're in the middle of a good night out, a good date. It's a good vibe. This guy's gonna do a real performance for you, our bartender. It's just a fun place, and the food is just epic. So I have to mention the Chaim Perlowitz show when you come here to get a free drink on the house from our Taras the barmaker. All right? You mentioned Chaim Perlowitz, you get a free drink when you come in here.
Okay, so what you should pronounce to me to get the free drink?
Chaim Perlowitz. Let me hear you say it.
Chaim
Good.
Perlowitz.
Witz.
Okay, no problem. If you come here and say to me, Chaim
Hi.
Perlowitz. You got a free
you
drink.
got the free drink. It's gonna be the virgin non-alcohol. If you're already adult, so you're gonna get some special for me, of course.
All right. Welcome. Check it out.
Welcome.
We're gonna put the phone number on the screen to book a party, book an event, and enjoy your night.